Hey, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. This is one of a series of quick tip videos that will help you get better results faster on your road to getting healthier. This is not the same old that you've always heard. Each one is only going to be about 2 minutes, but it's going to provide improvements in your health trajectory for your life. Now that you have a better idea of what a subluxation is, a misalignment of the vertebrae causing nerve interference, the next question is, what should you do about it if you had one? Chiropractors are the only professionals that are trained to locate, analyze, and help your body correct vertebral subluxations. Other professionals may work with your spine or your back or your joints or your muscles, but they're not trained to address spinal subluxations. In our office at Wellspring, we are a wellness chiropractic office, which means that we not only have a job of helping people to correct their subluxations, but also training them on how to stop recreating them so that they can have the fastest results with their current health concerns, but also prevent problems in the future. We use a 3-legged stool model of care, which means we're going to have the first leg of the stool be chiropractic adjustments in a regular rhythm. The second leg of the stool is to teach people how to replace the bad habits with good habits so that they stop recreating their subluxations and their patterns in their spine. And the third leg of the stool, is to teach people spinal exercises to get them so strong that they can just live into their bigger life and not be worried about relapses occurring. I don't know if you could imagine this, but what if you never brushed your teeth and you finally went to a dentist? What would they find? Well, first they'd have to get through the carpet on your teeth and clean everything up, and then they'd have to repair all the cavities that have accumulated from not taking care of your teeth over time. Once they've fixed all the cavities, then they're going to have to train you on how to brush and floss so that you don't get yourself back in that same situation again. So brushing and flossing is important, but it doesn't fix the cavities. Fixing the cavities is important, but you still have to brush and floss your teeth. Exercising is important, spinal exercises, and breaking bad habits is important. But neither of those will correct subluxations. Chiropractors and specific chiropractic adjustments are the only way to correct subluxations. Thank you for listening and letting us come alongside you on your journey.